Here I have RAZER Phone and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen and let me show you how to easily check out IMEI by using the secret code. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and here you need to input the following code: *#06#, and as you may notice, the window with your IMEI number pops up in front of you. To close this window, let's tap OK. Now let's go back and let me show you how to check out IMEI and serial number by using the settings. So let's find and select the list of all applications. Here choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and select system. Now let's choose about phone, and here you've got access to status. Let's choose status, and here you've got your serial number. You can also, for example, read the Wi-Fi MAC address. You can also tap the IMEI info, and here you may read your IMEI number as well. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.